Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of foundations with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Oil-Free Foundation in the shade Classic Ivory. This foundation claims to provide a natural-looking, medium coverage finish that works beautifully for normal to oily skin types. Available in 40 shades, it's designed to refine pores and deliver a matte finish that keeps your skin looking fresh all day long. From the first application, I found the setup process incredibly straightforward. The liquid formula glides smoothly onto the skin, and the included pump makes dispensing the product a breeze. As someone who prefers a more natural look, I appreciated how buildable the coverage is. You can easily layer it for a flawless, I woke up like this finish, which is perfect for those busy mornings when you want to look put together with minimal effort. In terms of performance, I tested this foundation throughout a full day. It held up impressively well, even in humid conditions, maintaining its matte finish without excessive shine. I particularly loved how it blurred my pores, giving my skin a refined appearance. The foundation didn't settle into fine lines or emphasize texture, which is a common issue with many foundations on the market. Let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the shade range is extensive, allowing almost anyone to find their perfect match. The matte finish is ideal for oily skin, and the price point is quite reasonable for the quality you receive. However, on the downside, those with dry skin may find it slightly less forgiving, as it can cling to dry patches if not properly hydrated before application. Comparing this product to other similar foundations, it stands out with its affordability and solid performance. While there are high-end options like Fenty Beauty or Giorgio Armani, Maybelline Fit Me offers comparable quality without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, brands like LF or L'Oreal may have options that can work as alternatives, but might not deliver the same level of matte finish and pore refinement. Now, if you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to support our channel and help others discover great beauty content like this. When it comes to value for money, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation really shines. With its quality, buildable coverage, and versatility, it's an excellent investment for your makeup routine. The materials used in its construction feel reliable, and I had no issues with durability or packaging defects during my use. User-friendliness is another strong suit here. The intuitive design allows for a seamless application, whether you're using your fingers, a brush, or a beauty sponge. Additionally, Maybelline's customer support has been responsive, addressing inquiries quickly and effectively, which is always a plus in my book. In my real-world testing, I wore this foundation through various activities, from running errands to attending events, and it consistently delivered on its promises. No touch-ups were necessary throughout the day, and I received compliments on my skin's appearance. As for updates, there haven't been significant changes to this product since its initial launch, which speaks to its well-established formulation. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation to anyone looking for an affordable, effective foundation that provides a natural matte finish. It's especially well-suited for those with normal to oily skin, and its buildable coverage makes it versatile enough for various occasions. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this foundation in the description below. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried it? What do you think? Let's chat.